everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and today I'm going to be doing a video using some products that Charlotte Tilbury was so kind enough to gift to me. And I've been wanting to do this video for quite some time, but I figure I would do it today because I feel like it's matching my vibe. I'm giving you all Designing Women. Is that the name of that old school show? Do y'all remember that show? I used to love that when I was a little girl. But I wanted to do something very classy, very soft, but just with a little punch of color. And so I figured the Walk of No Shame collection would be perfect. So I have all of the pieces of the Walk of No Shame collection. I have the eyeshadow quad, I have the lip gloss, I have the lipstick, I have the lip liner, the eyeliner, as well as the blusher, like Charlotte would say. So I'm excited to jump into this video, and thank you again to Charlotte Tilbury for sending over these items. Enjoy. So I'm going to start off with the transition shade from the Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize palette, and I'm going to go in with this nice peachy mid-tone brownish color, and I'm going to take that above my crease as my transition with a fluffy brush. This one is the Sonia G Crease 2 brush, and just go back and forth and diffuse that color. I really do need a shade to be a transition shade first to really help blend out the rest of these colors, because there's not really a shade in the No Walk of Shame palette to do this. Actually, I think I should zoom you all in. Yeah. Is that better? I think that's good. I'm actually ready to go into the Walk of No Shame palette, and I'm going to go into the shade number 2, the Enhance shade, with the same blending brush, and move down ever so slightly and apply that one directly in the crease. Oh, that's really pretty. It has a slight shimmer to it, but it's going to look really pretty in the crease area. So just back and forth. Get that color nice and blended. Yeah. I'm going to go into a more taper blending brush. This one is a rougher number 13 brush. And I'm going to pick up a bit of this shade right here. I'm going to take that right on the outer corner and build that up. Bring it around to connect to the top of the crease. I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This one is by Sephora. I believe this one is their concealer brush. And I'm going to dip into this lightest shade right here and lightly take that right underneath my brow. Just a little bit. Just for a little highlight and pop. I'm going to come around and take this same shade and pop it on the inner corner and on the lower inner corner. Same brush, and I'm going to take the shade right here on the lid. I'm just going to tap that on and fill in this area that's blank. So I'm going to tap next to that outer corner color, bring it up to the crease, and then bring it over towards the inner corner. And then I'm just going to take my time and build this up. That looks really, really good. On the lower lash line, I'm going to go into this shade right here, the darkest one, and very carefully take that all the way across the rest of the lower lash line and connect it to the top. I got to be careful to not irritate my eyes. Walk of No Shame eyeliner. I definitely want this in the waterline. And this eyeliner, I've used this several times. It's such an interesting color. It's not as berry as the rest of the tones in the palette. It's a little bit more brown, and that's what I like about it, so it doesn't look so weird on my complexion anyways, because sometimes tones like this can make me look a little sick. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. It's hard for me to show this without tearing up. So I'm just going to pretend to put it on right now for the camera, and then I'm going to go and actually put it on. Okay, be right back. I need to go in with this Pillow Talk mascara, and it says that it is going to push up my lashes. Now, I am looking for blackness. I'm looking for a little bit of volume. I like this mascara a lot. I am going to still add lashes today. But what I like about this mascara is that I can comb through it with the wand, and it has that flat side that I like so much, because I'm a person who's not the biggest fan of plastic spiky wands for mascara, because I am a bit of a klutz and I always poke myself in the eye. But I find that with these flat wands that have been, you know, a little bit more popularized in the past few years, that I am less prone to poking myself Oh, I still got mascara on my lid. That's all right, I'll fix that. I'm still prone to poking myself, but not as much as when it was just a full circle that was large, because with the flat side, I'll just use the literal flat side and it's like I'm combing out my lashes and not applying mascara. This mascara gives a lot of nice volume. It's very black. I love that. And it is giving me a little bit of a lift, so I'm here for it. So now let me go in with my lips because I need to. I'm gonna go in with the Walk of No Shame lip liner, and this is what Charlotte Tilbury calls her lip cheats. Oh yes, I love this tone. Ooh, Walk of No Shame lipstick. I just want a little bit of this in the center. And I want this gloss mainly. Oh, it's so pretty. Love it. Let me put on a little bit of blush. Of course, we're going in with the Walk of No Shame. Ooh, yes. I love. Okay, let me save it. Let me just save it. Hold on. Honestly, y'all, I love my makeup. I feel like it looks super sophisticated, and like I've said before, because you all have seen me use the Walk of No Shame blush, I feel like this is the perfect tone of berry for my complexion. And I'm a person who has not traditionally loved berry because on me it looks very ruddy, it can make me look sick, and I don't feel that way about this. I feel like this berry tone in particular is very vibrant, and I love the way that it complements my complexion and it gives me a very nice and beautiful girlish glow. I love all of the pieces in the collection. The blush has to be my #1 favorite because it just gives me a really nice soft touch of a berry tone and it makes me look flushed. So I love that about it. And her blush formula is amazing. It's super soft, very silky. It gives you a nice color payoff. It's not overwhelming. It's not powdery. It's just like a silky, nice powder, and I love that about it. So that is definitely my favorite thing out of the collection. But like I said, I don't have any misses. The lip liner and the eyeliner, I think these are very unexpected and fun, especially the eyeliner, because I don't have anything like that in my collection. I feel like it's super unique and it has that berry-esque quality to it, but then it leans a little bit more brown, which is what I like, so it doesn't look like I have pink eye or anything like that. And I think that a range of people will enjoy these tones, so I love that. And the formulation is so good. Both of these pencils are very creamy. The lip liner is creamier than the eyeliner, of course, because it's meant to be moved around. But the eyeliner has a nice amount of creaminess too, but not so much so to where it's not going to stay in my waterline. So I love both of these. I think that she makes really great formulas of lip liner and eyeliner. So these are bomb. Walk of No Shame lipstick. I really like this lipstick formula. This lipstick formula is more matte, but it's not an uncomfortable matte. So it glides on. It gives you a nice cushiony matte type feel, and I like the color of it. And again, it gives me a little bit of a wood rose type feel, and I love that about it. So this color is very gorgeous, and I love how it complements everything. And then as far as the eyeshadow, I like this quad. I would say, if I'm being fair, it's not as creamy as the rest of her quads that I've tried here lately. The Fire Rose quad that I tried recently does have a little bit more slip. It is a little bit more silky when you touch it and when you're using it, but this eyeshadow quad still blends out and it still performs, even with it not being as smooth as the others. I still think it's a nice product, and I love the eye look that I did. I think it's very beautiful and very soft. And this gloss is the ish. I was not going to buy this gloss at first because I thought that it was a plumping gloss. Turns out it's not a plumping gloss. This gloss is a regular gloss. It's very shiny, and I love that about it. And so now I am obsessed with it. I love this color. I want all of her other colors. It is such a nice gloss formula. It's a thicker gloss, but not gloopy. So it's not going to be uncomfortable, but it has a nice amount of wear time to it. So I really love it. I love this color. I love how multi-dimensional the glitter is, and I think that it makes my lips look even more mwah. So I love, love, love this formula. It doesn't have have a distinctive smell or taste, but that's good for those of you all who get easily irritated with scents. So I like that. And then lastly, I really like this mascara for the reasons that I mentioned in the video. I like that it's flat and I can comb it out without sticking myself in the eye. Plus I like that it's super black. It gives me a nice cushiony feel to the lashes and it makes them look a little bit more intense, which is what I'm always looking for. So overall, the collection is fire. Charlotte Tilbury has been coming out with hot fire all year, and she, dare I say it, is working her way into becoming one of my favorite brands. I know, I love it. So let me know if you all got this collection. Let me know your thoughts on it. I'm very curious to know if you all have been loving Charlotte Tilbury the same way that I have. Her powder products are superb. I love her lip products, and I've even been loving her skincare. So yeah, love it. I will have all of my makeup details listed down in the description box. Thank you again to Charlotte Tilbury for being so kind, for sending me over these products. And I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I will check you all in my very next one, which will be super, super soon. Smooches. Bye.